Hey, good morning. I am about ready to, and yes, I'm with Rotary, Sunrise Rotary. I'm about ready to work on some low voltage lights I thought you might want to see. So I'm going to kind of flip it around and play with it. I'm turning a outdoor lamp for the driveway into a LED system. It's already run for the low voltage, but I'm changing out some of the lights. And let me show you. All right, so I put the light inside. I did a simple zip tie. I have my positive and negative, and in this specific system, it doesn't matter which one's which. So I'm going to be cutting these down, trimming them, and then opening and exposing the wires so that I can then connect it over to this system over here that's already set. So hang tight just for a minute. There we go. Hold tight. All right, so I've taken the wires, I've zip tied the inside in here so that they're not moving. I zip tied this connection for the first wire. This wire is also connected, so I'm going to zip tie it as well. Make sure that everything is nice and tight, but at the same time as I put it together, I'm not going to have anything falling down. And trust me, you don't want to go to this work with nice lamps and then have something fall and break. Simple trim. Another trim. Now let me go hook this up. I'm sorry, turn on the lights and let's see if it works. All right, so now we're gonna test it and the light should go on.
Move it to test.
Yes. And then press OK. And the light goes on. That's awesome. So we have a low voltage system that works and puts out more power, but I need to kind of direct the light a little bit so it'll work. All right, so I had to make a couple cuts and change things up just a little bit. The light was laying on the side and wasn't projecting out right, so made a small cut and then I ran it over here, tied some wires together, and then hooked it up, and the light is on. So simple process with a little bit of creativity, and tonight he'll have about 3 times more light than he did yesterday, which would be nice. So I always look at things, I always take things apart. Be careful before you do it, know what you're doing. And yeah, it turns out beautiful. I'll have to show you some after shots afterwards. He'll be taking some shots tonight. I have this all labeled just for this light, so I'm all set. I'm tightening up the last one. Okay. All right, so we're all done. Let me flip this around. You can see both lights. Hold on. So that's that one. That one's all lit. And then this one's all set too. So tonight about 7 o'clock, he's going to be sending me some photos, showing me how everything lights up. And again, this is daylight. So anyway, I'd love to see your project. Let me know what's going on. And again, you're on assignment. I want to see your backyard. I want to see your lights. Or let's see if I can light your place up. Don't be afraid to invite me out. Dave Pratt, I'm out.